Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Vibe, your go-to channel for the latest in tech reviews, deep dives, and hands-on demos. Today, we've got a beast of a wearable for you, the Garmin Enduro 3. We're doing everything from specs to reviews, strengths, weaknesses, comparisons, tips, and final thoughts, all for your next adventure. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a video. Let's dive right in. The Enduro 3 features a 1.4 memory and pixel display at 280x280 resolution, covered by power sapphire glass, with a titanium bezel and fiber-reinforced polymer casein, ideal combo for durability without bulk. It weighs 57 grams without the strap and about 63 grams with the included ultra-fit nylon strap, making it surprisingly light for its 51mm size and built tough with 10 ATM water resistance. It prioritizes legibility and ruggedness over flashy features, giving it a minimalist, purposeful design. Battery life is where Enduro 3 truly shines. Garmin claims up to 90 days in smartwatch mode without solar, and around 144 hours with solar in multi-GNSS mode, even stretching to 320 hours. In GPS-only mode, under ideal sun. Real-world tests back this up. Weeks of regular workouts or ultra-distance runs without needing a recharge, thanks to a solar wrap providing roughly 120% more solar gain than Enduro 2. In normal use, the power drain is around 1% per night, meaning you can literally go months between charges, and that's with frequent GPS tracking. Life out in the wild is easy. The watch comes preloaded with topo-active maps and supports full GNSS navigation, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, with dual-band support for precision. It handles routing, contours, round-trip planning, and off-course guidance. Venture off the beaten path and you're still well covered. The watch nudges you right back when you stray. On the sensor front, the Enduro 3 packs Garmin's Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor. Tests show it's highly accurate during steady efforts but can lag slightly during sprint intervals, common for wrist-based sensors. GPS accuracy matched the Fenix 8 nearly identically, with only a 0.2-mile difference over a 55 km ultramarathon, though dense forest could still cause minor drift. It tracks VO2 max, training load, readiness, stress, body battery, sleep, pulse ox, barometric altimeter, and now includes an FDA-cleared ECG feature for atrial fibrillation detection. Pairing it with a chest strap boosts HR accuracy during high-intensity exercise. In actual field testing, marathons, ultras, hiking trips, the watch's optical HR aligned with chest straps during steady runs but lagged a bit with intervals. GPS accuracy remained solid, and battery consumption was impressively low. An 8-hour run used just 14% on Enduro 3 compared to 15% on the Fenix 8 AMOLED version. So whether logging long trail runs or backcountry hikes, Enduro 3 delivers consistent accuracy and crazy longevity. It also offers offline music support, Spotify, Deezer, Garmin Pay, and the Connect EQ app ecosystem. However, there's no mic, speaker, or voice assistant, unlike the Fenix 8, and no LTE support. Messages and weather updates require a phone. On the plus side, the built-in LED flashlight is a huge plus for safety and night navigation. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, unmatched battery life, 90 days smart, 320 hours GPS, full mapping and navigation, rugged yet lightweight build, 57 grams. Advanced biometrics, including ECG, and a launch price of $899 cheaper than Enduro 2 and Fenix 8 Solar. On the downside, large 51mm size might be too big for smaller wrists. The MIP display isn't as vivid as AMOLED, no mic or speaker. Nylon strap isn't ideal for water-based activities, and charging requires Garmin's proprietary cable. How does it compare to other models? Compared to Enduro 2, the Enduro 3 improves battery life, solar gain, UI is lighter, and costs less. Versus Fenix 8, it shares sensors, maps, and UI, but lacks voice support, AMOLED, and diving features. However, it has longer battery life and costs about $200 less. Against Apple Watch Ultra 2, Garmin wins for battery, mapping, and ruggedness. Though the Ultra offers mic, speaker, LTE, and a sleek display, competitors like Coro's Vertix 2S and Suunto Vertical offer strong battery life or more compact sizes, but Garmin wins on ecosystem and map depth. If you want to get the most out of your Enduro 3, Maximize battery by using solar wrap and always on MIP. Choose all GNSS with battery saver for balanced performance. Swap in a silicone strap for swimming. Preload maps via Connect or Explore, and use a chest strap during high-intensity sessions. So, who should buy this? It's perfect for endurance athletes, thru hikers, and adventurers needing extreme battery and reliable navigation. Those who prefer vibrant displays, voice features, compact size, or cellular independence might want alternatives like Fenix 8 or Apple Watch Ultra. In terms of price, the launch MSRP was $899 United States dollars, £769 UK. It's available from Garmin and major retailers, with occasional $100 discounts during sales or in refurbished bundles. Bottom line, is the Enduro 3 worth it? Absolutely if your priorities are battery life, rugged design, and detailed mapping. It skips some smartwatch fluff, but delivers exactly where you need it. Starting at $899, it undercuts its predecessor while upping the game. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a comparison with the Fenix 8 or Apple Watch Ultra 2. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so your adventures never miss a beat. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. Catch you in the next one. This video was brought to you by Tech Vibe. Don't forget, stay curious, stay adventurous, stay vibing. See you next time.